Welcome to this Kriya Yoga meditation practice. I invite you to find a comfortable seated position, whether you are on the floor or in a chair. Let your spine be straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting gently on your knees. Close your eyes softly and begin to bring your awareness inward. Take a deep breath in and let it go with a gentle exhale. Feel yourself arriving in this moment, ready to reconnect with your inner peace. As we begin, set an intention for your practice. This could be simply to find calm, to release any tension, or to deepen your connection with your breath. Whatever it is, hold it gently in your heart. Now bring your attention to your breath. Breathe naturally without trying to change it. Notice the air entering your nostrils, flowing down into your lungs, and then slowly exiting your body. With each inhale, feel a sense of renewal. With each exhale, let it go any stress or distractions. Let your breath become a soothing rhythm, like a rise and fall of ocean waves. Inhaling deeply, exhaling fully. Allow yourself to sink deeper into stillness with every breath. Let's practice a gentle breath count. Inhale for a count to 4, hold for a count of 4, and exhale for a count of 4. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Continue this breath count for a few cycles, focusing solely on your breath. Now we will introduce a simple Kriya breath technique. Gently place your hands in a prayer position in front of your chest, palms touching. As you inhale, feel the energy rising through your body. As you exhale, visualize this energy expanding outward, filling your being with the light. On the next inhale, gently press your palms together and feel the energy building in your chest. Exhale, allowing this energy to radiate throughout your entire being, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Let your breath remain steady and peaceful. With each inhale, you draw in vitality, and with each exhale, you release any that is no longer serves you. Allow this flow of energy to be steady and calming as you move deeper into your practice. Now bring your awareness to your body. Begin by scanning from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. gently noticing any area of tension. With each breath, allow your body to relax more deeply, releasing any tightness or discomfort. As you inhale, imagine breathing in a peace and relaxation. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. Feel each muscle soften and your body becoming heavier and more grounded with each breath. Focus on your shoulders, your arms, your hands. Feel them becoming light and free. Move your awareness slowly down to your chest, your abdomen, your legs, and feet. Allow each part of your body to soften, relax, and become still. Now we will introduce a mantra. Repeat silently to yourself. I am calm, I am centered, I am at peace. With each repetition, feel these words deeply with your being as they connect to you to the present moment. Let this word settle into your heart, reminding you of your true nature, calm, centered, and peaceful. Allow this vibration of mantra to fill your body, your mind, and your spirit. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the mantra. With each repetition, feel yourself becoming more anchored in the stillness. Now, for the next minute, we will sit in a silence, simply being present with ourselves. Continue to breathe deeply and observe any sensations, thoughts, or feelings that arise. Just notice them without any judgment, letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Trust that in this silence, you are reconnecting with your inner wisdom. There is no need to force anything. Just allow yourself to be fully here in this moment. As we begin to consult this practice, take a few moments to express gratitude for the peace and stillness you have cultivated. When you're ready, slowly begin you deepen your breath, gently bringing your awareness back to your present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body, And when it feels right, open your eyes